In this video, I'm going to explain our processing systems that have shipped now over 2 million units to Amazon's fulfillment centers. And the goal behind this video is to explain our processing systems. So if you're shipping from your home, your garage, your warehouse, your unit, wherever you are right now, the goal behind this video is to give you just some insights on how we do things, and hopefully you've got some tips and strategies that you can apply into your processing systems today. My name's Kev. Welcome to the YouTube channel. If this is the first time seeing me, please hit that subscribe button. Please give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It does help the YouTube algorithm to boost this video. So just a quick thumbs up, hitting that subscribe button, sharing a comment down below will really help me out. So let's get started. So this is our processing streams, and we call them streams because we've got basically like semi-automated conveyors in streams that go from start to finish. Here we have multiple stages. We've got our picking stage. This is where our pickers actually feed the streams. Then we've got our processing stage where we actually do the bundling, the labeling, the bubble wrapping, the bagging. And then we've got actually our boxing and palletization at the end. So I'm going to talk you through each of these stages so you can see them for yourself. So let's begin. So to give you some context on how we've actually innovated and come up with these in the first place is it's all in the concept of speed and quality control. The goal for any shipments that we ship to Amazon's fulfillment centers is how quickly can you get your products in the warehouse and out the warehouse as quickly as possible. So what we've actually done in this warehouse is we've got multiple stages of the process. We've got our inbound team that are receiving all our boxes, our pallets. We've got our shipment creation team in the office that are actually creating all the shipments. And then as soon as we've got a shipment ready, our shipment creation technician rings the bell, and our pickers that start with these stations here, they go on over, pick that shipment, and start actually feeding it into these streams. So let's start with number one. The first stage is the picking stage. So what ends up happening is whatever the products that's been logged into the warehouse, the pickers will go get the trolleys, the equipment that we've got, and bring all the products, all the pallet that's going to go into the shipment to this station right here. And what we've done is we've actually designed this unique stream tray system. The goal is for us to work towards fully automated streams, but to start with, the intermediate step was to introduce semi-automation. The goal here is for us to use these trays that are on wheels, and the tops of these streams, this is aluminium composite. So it's super smooth, it's really, really high quality, it's really firm, it just allows the trays to guide along and get pushed along. So what ends up happening is our pickers come along, we've got these trays right here, and they start filling up the trays as per the shipment quality control. And in that shipment quality control, it's going to share with you the products in order of what the shipment's in. It's going to share the prep that's required, whether it's bagging, whether it is bubble wrapping, whether it's a bundle. And what our picking team will do is stand here with this desk here and start actually placing products into these trays. Then what ends up happening is these trays end up pushed all the way to our processing station. And the processing station, which is all the way over here, so if you think about it, we've now got because these streams are quite long, we've got the ability to have like 15, 20 trays all in a line. And what ends up happening is our processors are stood at this station right here, waiting for the trays to come down. Once the trays have come down, all the items within that shipment, they're in the exact order of the shipment. So it's very, very easy then for the processor to have all their equipment right here, they've got all the labels, they've got all the bubble bags, they've got all the bags, whatever is needed. And the clever thing that we've done is we've actually got, if I turn the camera, hopefully it will show, you can see little black dots up here. These are our processing cameras. So we've now got every single shipment that we do, and as it's getting processed, it's actually under CCTV. These are 1080p high-def cameras which record absolutely every single shipment, because, as I said, the start of this is we want to do it as quick with quality control as possible, so that if there's any ever issue, we can actually we've got the recordings, we've got the evidence to show that we've actually labeled something correctly, or we've bagged something, or we've bubble wrapped something, whatever's needed. Then what ends up happening is it ends up going to these here. These are our quality control stations, and this is where the boxers, our boxing team, our quality controls team, is now at the end of the stream. So you can see all the way down here, we've got trays that have come down. Once it gets to this point, it actually passes another camera. These are Wi-Fi cameras, 1080p, high def as well, where it records all and captures everything, where our team will actually have boxes ready. We've got a weighing scale right here, and we start actually, we actually start boxing all the shipments as per the quality control sheet. Everything gets obviously weighed, everything gets checked. We have laptops on stations here. On the laptops, we've actually got the SKU that's been via the team in the office. It's shooted over to the stream number, and then the quality control team is able to actually feedback on the shipment quality control what items they've put in what box. This then helps when we actually complete the shipment. So this is really, this has been a bit of a system that's been an ongoing evolution since we moved into this 10,000 square foot warehouse. So here we've got everything that they need, everything from tape, boxes, pens, laptops. We've even got weights that we actually do a quality control on the accuracy of the weighing scales. And that's essentially how this stream system works. One of the other things that we've done, if I come all the way around here, here's all our filler. We've actually now got on stream 1 here, we've got a camera that's up there, and we've got an empty space. This empty space is actually for our pallet building. So our team, when we've actually got our pallets on this floor right here, as they're actually building it, it's underneath the camera, which means that we actually have the evidence now to show as well for the actual camera build, the pallet build itself. That's been really useful to us, because what this allows us to do is have evidence from processing to actually boxing to the actual build of the pallets themselves. So this tray system it's always evolving. The actual trays are able, once they've actually come all the way down the stream, you can see underneath here, these trays can actually slide back down to the beginning as well. So this has just been a video just to share with you what our processing systems do and how they work. It's a continuous evolution. We do have, we've got these tables here. So we used to do everything on the floor. Obviously, as time goes on, productivity, the speed of shipping, the quality control, as well as looking after our staff, so they're not having to bend down all the time and hurt their backs. That's why everything's done now standing up straight. These are all custom build. These are all being built by our joiner. Everything's been like manufactured and actually cut to size as per our specification. And this is essentially how we process our products that we do. It's a non-stop and never-ending improvement philosophy that we have, but it's certainly helped us and how we've continued to evolve our processing system. So this was just a quick one, really, just to share with you how it all works. This is how we process. So you can see we've actually got half a stream here, we've got half a stream there, and we've got our pallet stream ready for the next day to be processed by the team once more. But it starts with we've now got a 3-stage quality control system. We've got a picker, we've got a processor, and we've got a quality control. The goal there is to eliminate and strive for perfection. That's the goal. If you start processing, you know, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of units, the likelihood of making a mistake, if it's just you, will cause a problem. By introducing multiple levels of processing in different people, so we don't have a picker that will then process themselves. It has to be a team of 3 all the time. So I hope you enjoyed this very quick video. I wanted just to get the camera out. I had a question asking how do these work. That's how it works. I will keep you updated on how we evolve these and how we improve these over time. But now we've got multiple cameras, we've got multiple stages, we've got these tray systems that keep evolving, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. So if you did, please comment down below, let me know. Please give it a big thumbs up if you think that this is going to be useful. Check out, please share it with your friends if you do think that this is useful. And if you want any support, whatsoever, if you check out our website down below, you can jump on a call with us. We're more than happy to help you out as well. So take care, keep taking massive action, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye.